Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify rent estimates with Zumper, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify rent estimates with Zumper, start by visiting the Zumper website or opening the Zumper app on your device. In the search bar, enter the location where you're looking to rent. You can specify the type of rental you're interested in, such as apartments or houses. Next, adjust the filters to set your budget range, number of bedrooms, and other preferences. Once your search results appear, take a moment to browse the listings. Click on any listing that catches your interest for more detailed information. On the listing page, you'll see the estimated rent provided by Zumper. To verify this estimate, scroll down to find the rent price section. Here, you will notice a graph that shows the rent trends in the area. Check for the median rent price and see how it compares to the estimate. You can also view similar listings in the area to assess rental prices for comparable properties. Next, take advantage of the rent score feature, which rates the rental market in that specific area. Pay attention to the neighborhood information provided, as it often includes insights on amenities and transportation. For further confirmation, consider researching local rental market reports or visiting other rental websites. If you're satisfied with the information, you can save your listing or contact the landlord directly through Zumper. Finally, use this verified data to make informed decisions about your potential new home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.